open app, and here we find the video we want to share. Here, edit, max 30 seconds. We can edit. Okay, 20, done. Then share. We can try to share to Facebook, YouTube, Facebook. Here, motor cycle riding, and then post. It's posting here.